So I'm going to use this induction, this pot and some water and my non-existent skills. Fun fact, Starbucks opens a store every day. And I have an unpopular opinion. I think Starbucks is overrated. I like Starbucks, I think it's good, but it's very expensive for people like me, and I think that there are a lot of local coffee shops everywhere. I mean, you can find local coffee shops everywhere and they are as good or even better than Starbucks. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to tell you one thing about me because it's important, because it's a part of me. And that thing is, I love coffee. I am a coffee lover. I love the smell of coffee. It's the best smell in the world, trust me. And I love trying different types of coffees. And the important thing is that you have to remember if you wanna take me out for a coffee. I love coffee in its pure form. That means no milk, no sugar. I know I've said love so many times because I just love coffee, and that just shows how much I love coffee. I don't know how many times I've said love. So recently my brother recommended this really good coffee which is made in India. So we thought, let's try it. And today I'm going to show you that coffee and I'm gonna try to make it and see how well it tastes. So this is the coffee I was talking about. It's called Araku, and it's not a sponsored video. I wish they sponsored my video because I'm poor as hell, but it's not sponsored, it's just for the love of coffee. So let's start with unboxing this coffee. So this is the coffee, and it was actually sealed, and they gave this really cool looking cork with this, but it's quite loose. I don't know. Honestly, it smells heavenly. I can smell it all day. And you know, there was this postcard inside the box. I don't know if people send postcards anymore, but let's see, maybe I'll use it for one of you when I get famous, and I'll do some giveaways. Okay, so moving ahead with making this coffee and tasting it. So guys, we have a little problem. This coffee is actually finely ground coffee, which is not like instant coffee which just melts in hot water. This coffee actually has some particles in it which stay in water, so we're going to need a filter for this, and I don't have a filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make this coffee with whatever equipment I have, and I only have one pot. So I'm going to use this induction, this pot and some water and my non-existent skills. So basically what I did, I added 2 spoons of coffee in boiling water and I let it boil for some time. And now all I'm going to do is leave it just like that so that the particles can settle down. Okay, so my coffee will take 5-10 minutes to settle down. For the time being, I can give you guys some life advice. What did you think, that I'm gonna make a video and not give you my valuable life lesson? So today we are going to talk about indecisiveness. Do you feel like that you find it hard to make decisions? Does your anxiety shoot up when you have to choose between 2 or more options? Do people often call you confused? Well, have no worries because I am here. I am going to solve your problem. Just kidding, because I am the most indecisive person on this planet. I cannot make a decision. I just can't do it. I am the living definition of, personification of, confused. So if you are indecisive and all, don't look at me for advice. If you get some good advice, give it to me. In fact, if you have some good advice, please be my guiding light and tell me what should I do in the comments below, because I need your help. I know people usually feel confused when they have to make big life decisions, but I can't even make small decisions like what color toothbrush should I have, what should I have for lunch today, what should I watch on Netflix, which side of my brain should I use today. It's like too much pressure, man. Why do I have to make decisions every day? I should get a vacation from making decisions, at least a year and a half. You see, life is rough. I'm living a rough life. But still, I'm gonna go and get my coffee and see how it tastes. So here's my coffee. Let's taste it and see if it's good or not. And I'm sure I've got some particles in it because I am not good at pouring stuff. It's good actually. Yeah, I like it. Bitter, just the way I like it. But the thing is, the coffee is not hot anymore, of course, because I let it settle for like 10 minutes. And I personally don't like my coffee too hot, but I think I should get a filter to make this process easier. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you soon because I'm trying to make more videos these days. That's another topic that I'm not getting enough views, but let's see. And do you guys want me to make more cooking stuff kind of videos? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe, which is more important than anything else. Maybe I can send it to one of you guys. Do you want it? Tell me in the comments below. Sounds like a good idea. Tell me in the comments below if you want it. Tell me. If I like your comment, I'll ask for your address and I'll send it to you.